In our daily life, sometimes you need to ask for someone's opinion about something. You can use some phrases and expressions for asking opinions. This video will help you to get some phrases for inviting others to share their views. So let's begin. My name is Kajal Singh and this is my channel So Far So Good. If you find this video helpful, you can click on the like button. You can share with your friends as well to improve their phrases in English. Also, you can subscribe to this channel so that you can get my weekly updates. Are you aware of the channel So Far So Good? We can use this phrase to make sure whether somebody is aware and they know about some details or not. Second, would you support to that matter? Now here, if you wish to know that somebody has the same opinion that you have, you can ask this question. So would you support the view of changing the house? What is your take on about this meeting? So if you want to know what details, what informations they received and do they have similar views or not, you can ask this question. Another way to know about the opinion is, what do you think about it? That's common, we all use it. How do you feel about the tour to Goa? Here also we can ask, what do they feel about it, right? Do you agree with me? Seventh, do you know what I mean? Here, if you want to confirm whether the person is listening to you or not, that question can help you to get to know. Don't you think that we should go to the Manali? In this question, we are just cross-checking whether the person is also interested for the same place or not. Would you please explain me about it? In this case, you get the informations in detail. Another way to know their views is to just paraphrase. Are you saying that we should work on the same given feedback? Next, could you please tell me that how can I improve my phrases in English? Next, may I know your views onto this? When we want to know what do they think about that particular topic, you may invite somebody by asking this question. What is your opinion about it? When you want to know what do they think, do they have some additional points in their mind, do they have different points of view in their mind, you may ask or invite by asking this question. When you are in the situation, the person is not answering you, you can also ask, just tell me, what is the reason behind it? That will tell you the clear picture about any scenario and any incident. When you are curious to know the person is having different idea, you may also ask, do you have any idea about it? Next, when you are not sure about something that you have done, you may ask your colleagues or peers that is it right what I have done? In this case, you can get some suggestions from your peers or can get some guidance so that you may not lead to the same scenario again. When you are trying very hard to know some reasons but still you are getting no response from the other side, you can ask, I just don't see why. Can you please add some light into that? Another. Next can be, if you want to invite somebody's view, you can say, do you think that we should purchase a new house? And at last, you can ask somebody to repeat. In the case if you miss their points, I beg your pardon. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you also have some additional phrases that can help us to invite somebody's views, you are allowed to share by adding your comment to this channel. I will definitely go through with this and will definitely reply on that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.